omonjo morigererio KISII FM Digital na kwariganiri asa Amang'ana Amayia senjera yo gwikiranu leterane ngoroku Cyrus Nyakundi ayanga tiari kwariganeti asenjera yo gwinge omunyanyimbo yo moni gabaka gusiro bogima bwaye ase county ya Kisumu eyemagega yo korobekano kubakorekanete ase county eyo abwa saba nyanyimbo batemete kubotanga abaru au bakorete ukorobekano ku omuraiwense ya Kenya musiki William Ruto niga bakubwata koroboti rwa bene gokia saba kuri mirimo bense ya Kenya omubaro bw'abantu bali banyote ajali ase chinsemo cha Naivasha nigo mentakanire gwika abantu 15 babere omonjo motegereri kabana inje gwika omwerio kumanye ase njira yo gwikirano omuraiwense ya Kenya musiki William Ruto nigo ritukuliarera bwataka oroboti rwa bene keraimirana na bakori mirimo chinsemo cha Nairobi kagokwana ase asomusangerekano iyo wetera ase kiombekio kya Public Service Commissioner omuraiwense niga tebire na kurora roboti rwa bene elio kwena na gokia saba bakori mirimo bense ya Kenya
conditions of work. It is now my pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, after everything I have said, to say that as we progress together, let us not be distracted. We are a robust democracy. We believe in the rule of law, and it is my contention that the Constitution, even as it provided for us to have divergent opinions, and we should. In fact, something would be very wrong with us if we agreed on everything all the time. Having competing ideas, having divergent opinion is part of what we celebrate as a democracy, and we must celebrate our diversity in ideas as well. But it is my position that the Constitution did not envisage that different opinions would result in chaos or loss of property or loss of life. We must, all of us, be able to celebrate all the rights provided for in our Constitution in a manner that respects the rights of others, and also in a manner that does not destroy property or in a manner that does not make our children not go to school. I think we can do that. We are mature enough to be able to do that, and I hope that all of us will begin to understand where we must go. It is now my pleasure to declare the 5th cohort of the Public Service Internship Program and the 2021-22 report on status of compliance with values and principles of Article 10 and Article 232 of the Constitution by the Public Service officially launched. Asanteni sana.
Kawokwana nere asensemeyo omokonyi bo muraiwense omusikirigati gashawa niga bagakugikiriare okorobekanuko kwagendere gokorekana imeyensi ya Kenya na gotabuna okorobekanuko nigo kwenda maminja yelijiko.
It's not there. The president cannot reinstate IEBC commissioners. He doesn't have that power or authority. The president would not even know where the server is stored because it's not his work. This server is being looked for in Mukuru Kayaba, in Koinange Street. I don't know where they are looking for it. We are also interested to know where it is. So if you have some information as to where it is, you tell us so that we can tell the people who are perpetrating post-election violence where it is, so that they stop ruining businesses of other people. Mtuambie hii server iko wapi, tuambie waende huko kuliko kuharibu biashara ya watu kila pahali. And these are not demonstrations. This is post-election violence. The elections was done, Supreme Court ruled, and these people have brought violence. And these are not demonstrations anymore. It's post-election violence. Your Excellency, you have given guidance to this country. This is a country of the rule of law. Let our officers protect life and property, and let everybody go about his businesses without hidden.
Magegaya maandamano ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition igokoreka na ritu kuligoro nigo bono umunyanyimbo yomo aba anyalire kagusiria obogima bwaye nigo bono igotebekana buna umunyanyimbo yoiga nigabwateranite amona abande abo barenge gotanga okorobekana okwengo korekana ase county ya Kisumu nigo boigo abonjoreri ao banyalire bakwimurunganeria ase nibo yabo gosaligwa ase amandamano ayo tigatonyo robot yoru ase njira yoboikirano
property all over. And there is no reason for anybody to lose any property in Kenya now because we have a government in place. I want to notify the president and the deputy president that what is happening is actually a reset of actually revolution. What happened in North and Western Africa is what's happening in Kenya. It starts this way. In fact, it's gaining momentum from when they say Monday, Thursday, you'll now say every day, and it's going to happen. So I want to advise my president, and I know he was elected all over Kenya, to act as a president and know that he is elected legitimately.
Why should Kenyans go for election if the end result is that the opposition and the person who is going to win, they are going to sit down for handshakes? This, to me, this one is going to destroy the democracy of Kenya, which is growing. That Raila and Ruto should sit down. I'm against that, not because I don't want the peace in this country. It is because I want a Kenya that is going to grow this democracy into the future.
Omubaro bw'abantu bali banyalire gosiria amagima abo gwetera omubasukano bw'epara oyokorekanete ase chinsemo cha Naivasha nigomentekanire goika abantu 15 babiri eye magega aya abantu bande batatu gosiria amagima abo rituko rya Romambi omugwaziri bw'obochenu ase county eyo omusike Jacqueline Osoro nigaena noroboti oruna gotabuna abande 5 babiri nigo banyara bakwirurukirwa goika ase nyagitari ya Nairobi abwa sande babere bale boniga ase nyagitari ya Nakuru konyora obogweni tigatonyora roboti yoru ase njira yoboikirano
hospitali ya Kenyatta na hospitali ya mkoa ya Nakuru kwa matibabu maalum. Basi hilo lilikuwa na wanafunzi 62.
Through the casualty, and unfortunately we lost 17 patients. Currently we have transferred some to Kenyatta, 7 to Kenyatta National Hospital for specialized treatment. We have taken 2 to Nakuru Teaching and Referral Hospital. In Naivasha we have admitted 9 patients and 1 was referred to Kijabi Hospital. Among the fatalities, 10 were from the bus and 7 were
land. Since morning when the accident occurred, from one we have been receiving so many patients from Naivasha, sub-county and its environment, and we thank those who have donated their blood.
Kwa bahati mbaya ni kama basi yetu brakes zilifail. So the driver alituinform that guys, kila mtu weke belt juu ni kama alijua. And then after tumevaa alikuwa anang'ang'ana kuicontrol, anashika anaingia kwa hizo pumps kama ita slow down, lakini bado ni kama haiko.
Bara kabisa mwancho mwiri KISII FM Digital na nene robinengo kwa ligani ya segesero gechikosoli na bogosoli ritaya na Bimban Omari. Gochaka no banyangongo banyemira county league mbochiko endra weekend ye ekirotokori ya imya zone A asiga serikali ya nigi ya Kendege litukolia Mambi ya timu ya Sparks basi kalioni ya Jumapili bado Kengolgeria se fixture mwancho muri KISII FM Gito timu ya Kenya Pirates abikaboni gabagasine bugokoro cyango ye sana mbasigikani amneti nyaguko gochaka chinsa isano neberche mobso ekero imya ekero primary school litukria mambi timu ya ekero golden basigikani amona Rigoma Express gochaka chinsa isano nebere bono kuriya imya zone C timu ya Kebusi mbasigikani amona Riamoni litukone ya mambi gochaka chinsa isano neberche mobso ekero imya Tinderet primary school timu ya Tinderet mbasigikani amona Sotik T gochaka chinsa isano neberche mobso ekero ngoyo mwajo bakomerania timu ya Blue Stars amoni timu ya Enchoro imya Ensoko Grounds bono kuriya omochoko bya mesa season A timu etangene nige kurwa Kebrichi FC net point komnevre yabwa twana nyari yacho yebata point komi ekero Santo 0 namba 3 net point kyanda girangi yasiye kachiri inye chingia net point inye imya zone B timu ya Ekero Golden nige batangene net point komne 3 yabwa tigwa amoni timu ya Kenya Pirates abuyikaboni gore namba 2 net point kyanda ekero timu ya Rigoma Express gore namba 3 net point kyanda timu ya Yabe basiye kachiri inye chingia net point isano nebiri Kuriya obunyangongo bwa National Super League mbochiko nyakoba bokugendera weekend ye ekero tukunya mambi ase timu ya Silbert Lions ikaboni gambara bago kuri byego ekore demba chibisikania amona Kibera Black Stars ekero timu ya Mara Sugar abra chibisikania amona timu ya Naivas uchaka chinsa kyanda cha mabasom ekero timu ya Kisumu All Stars abra chikwerigania timu ya Gusii FC abwi kaboni ga Gusii FC mo chomo gyo KISII FM Digital ebagase niko tirimboka sana semo choko bya mesa litukajuma imya Bukhongo Stadium gotoka imya Kakamega timu ya Bandari mbasigikania mwana Manchester United imya Mbaraki Sports Complex imya Muchomo Mbasa ekero timu ya Mrangasil abrachisikania amona AFC Leopards imya Nyayo Stadium KCB basigikania amona Bidiko United imya Kasarani Annex eyamase yemoto gende mbaka machimumbo SBL maiga yechwe weekend yaita tobeto kutokonyara ko batoko ene kya imena no gichinse bikogosirwa abani gabo nyangongo bwa EPL la liga ngo chikurikora ne weekend ye ekero tukurya mambi etarike ye mu mutinyo kane gochaka chinsa Eastern Lisa tunenu suchimo bosom emya Etihad Stadium etinya Manchester City ngo chibarikusikanya amune timu ya Liverpool chikoroga chinse komine mom etinya Manchester amuna Brentford etinya Crystal Palace basikanya amuna Leicester City Nottingham Forest yeragane timu ya Wolves ekero timu ya Chelsea basikanya amuna Aston Villa Stamford Bridge gochaka ese yomana nusu litukoni na Fiorentina gochaka